Supreme Court. The Apex Court has stayed till Friday the UP government's order directing eateries along the Kanwad Yatra route to display names of owners and employees. The court observed that till Friday, food sellers must not be forced to display names of owners or staff. Appearing for the petitioner, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi said the idea of the directive by the UP government is exclusion by identity. He also argued that people go to a restaurant depending on the menu and not who is serving. Last week, police in UP's Muzaffarnagar mandated all food joints along the route display names of owners. They also argued it was being done to ensure there is no confusion amongst Kanwadiyas and no allegations raised in the future leading to a law and order situation. Congress's Pramod Tiwari is reacting to this development that has occurred in the Supreme Court.
सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के अंतरिम आदेश और इस पिटीशन पर सुनवाई के लिए अगली तिथि लगाना दोनों प्रथम दृष्टया प्राइमा फेसाई मेरी उस नोटिस जो मैंने आज दी थी 267 में राज्यसभा में, जिस पे मैंने कुछ कहा भी है, उसको सही साबित करता है कि ये विभाजनकारी है। समाज संविधान की मंशा के खिलाफ है, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन के खिलाफ है। ये समाज में विभाजन पैदा करेगा, सिर्फ धर्म के आधार पर नहीं, जात के आधार पर। ये शेड्यूल कास्ट को, बैकवर्ड को, वीकर सेक्शन को उनको मौका नहीं देगा जो अपना व्यापार कर सकें। जिनको जो खाना है ये उन पर छोड़ देना चाहिए। वो स्वेच्छा से खाएं, पिएं, कहां से लें, क्या करें, ये उनकी इच्छा होना चाहिए, किसी सरकार की नहीं। मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस निर्णय का, अंतरिम आदेश का स्वागत करता हूं।
Ayush Sharma is joining us for more details on this story. Ayush, the Supreme Court intervening in the Kanwad Yatra route directive of the UP government. What has the Apex Court said today?
Well, yes, today the Supreme Court today stated the direction issued by authorities in various states to shop owners and hawkers to display their names outside their premises during the Kanwad Yatra season. The bench of Justice Rishikesh Roy and Justice S.V.N. Bhatti issued notice to the UP, Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand government where the Kanwad Yatra takes place. Now, this matter will be heard next on July 26. Now, I may quote what the order stated. Until the returnable date, that 26 July, having regard to the discussion, we deem it inappropriate to pass interim order prohibiting the enforcement of above directives. In other words, the food sellers, hawkers, etc. may be required to display the kind of food they are serving to Kanwadiyas, but they must not be forced to disclose their names. This is stated in the court's order. And the UP government on July 19 made it mandatory for food and beverage shops along Kanwad Yatra routes to display the name of identity of the operator or owner of their establishment. But now, in a big major breaking, the Supreme Court had put a stay on the directive to shop along Yatra route to display the owner's name. Over to you there.
Yes, also, Ayush, of course, the lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi reportedly had appeared for the petitioners. He had argued that this is an attempt to exclude people on the basis of their identity. What were the arguments made by the petitioners today which led to this order by the Supreme Court, Ayush?
Well, yes, so this decision has been criticized on the ground that the same has been done to reveal the religious identity of the owners of such establishment and is discriminatory against Muslim shop owners. And the Association for Protection of Civil Rights, the Delhi University professor Apurvanand with activist Akar Patel and MP Mahua Moitra approached the Apex Court against the directive issued by the UP police. And the court today at the outset asked whether any formal order had been passed to enforce such direction. Now, the senior advocate Chandra Uday Singh, who represented Association for Protection of Civil Rights, said that while the authorities were claiming it was voluntarily done, the directive was being enforced deliberately.
Ayush, stay with us. Vinny Jindal, Supreme Court lawyer, also joins us now on the broadcast. Vinny Jindal, your first reaction to what the Supreme Court has ordered today?
Yes, today that order has been order has been passed by the Supreme Court on the virtue of by saying that no religious discrimination would be there. So it is solely basically the petitioner has changed the whole scenario by citing certain facts about this thing that this name disclosure is amount to a religious discrimination. And as far as the concern of the state, it is they are saying that it is not a discrimination. It is about the security and disclosure the identity of the person who is running that shop. So right now there is no legal submission has been there. So the Supreme Court has stayed that notification issued by Uttarakhand government and Uttar Pradesh government today. So let's see, because when the reply would be filed by the state, then only we can say that there is something, some new development will be there.
Okay, Vineet Jindal, also, as far as this ruling is concerned, this interim ruling is concerned, it's clearly a setback for the UP government's order and the basis of it.
No, it is not a setback. Basically, this is an interim order for a very shorter time period. Now this matter is listed for 26th of July. And state would file the reply. There is a legal background of this disclosure, the nameplate issue. There is a legal backing also. So it is not, we cannot say that this is a setback for the government. Stay can be granted on an immediate basis because the petitioner has cited that it is amount of religious discrimination, but this is not a religious discrimination. It is about disclosing of identity, and there's nothing wrong in it. There is a Shop and Establishment Act which says.
Vineet Jindal, stay with us. Surinder Rajput, leader of the Congress, is also joining us now on the broadcast. Surinder Rajput, your first reaction to what the Supreme Court has ruled today in the Kawad Yatra route diktat?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने देश के विभाजनकारी फैसले को लेने वाली भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार के मुंह पर एक करारा तमाचा मारा है. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट रिएक्शन. दिस इज व्हाट बेसिकली पीपल आर सेइंग इन सहारनपुर एंड मुजफ्फरनगर, इन हरिद्वार. दे ऑल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस फैसला. हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कहीं ना कहीं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग आम चुनाव में जो हारे थे और उत्तराखंड में जो उपचुनाव हारे हैं, उसके बाद इन लोगों ने देश को सांप्रदायिकता में जलाने का काम कहीं ना कहीं कोशिश की थी. इन्होंने कांवड़ यात्रा के जरिए भगवान भोलेनाथ को बदनाम करने की, कांवड़ यात्रा को बदनाम करने की जो साजिश थी, उसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पूरी तरीके से निरस्त कर दिया है. हम इस फैसले का तहे दिल से स्वागत करते हैं.
जी, सुरेंद्र राजपूत, आपको लगता है कि ये जो, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं, सांप्रदायिक फैसला था, इस फैसले को लेकर कुछ बीजेपी के सहयोगी दल भी उन्होंने भी अपनी असहमति दिखाई है. क्या आपको लगता है अब यूपी सरकार को इस ऑर्डर को वापस लेना चाहिए?
अब तो वापस लेने की उनके पास चॉइस कहाँ है, उन्हें तो वापस लेना ही पड़ेगा. अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट से ऊपर थोड़ी उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार हो.
अभी तो 5 दिन का ही फैसला है, ये इंटरिम ऑर्डर है.
पहले तो अब इंटरिम ऑर्डर है तो पहले 5 दिन का है वो करे, उसके बाद जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला होगा, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले को ससम्मान सर आंखों पर बैठाएंगे. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर दिया है, बेसिकली जो कहा है कि वो जरूरत नहीं है, पहले ही साफ कह दिया उन्होंने. उसके बाद बचता क्या है कहने के लिए? आज की डेट में आज करारा तमाचा है, कल की डेट में सरकार जो कहेगी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट संविधान सम्मत जो भी फैसला लेगा उसको सब लोग मानेंगे. और ये बात तो आम आदमी, ये बात तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी छोड़ करके लगभग सारे दल, भले वो एनडीए के साथ में हो, सभी लोग एक आवाज से इस फैसले को.
सुरेंद्र राजपूत, बने रहिए आप हमारे संग. केसी शर्मा, लीडर ऑफ द बीजेपी, ऑल्सो जॉइन्स अस नाउ. केसी शर्मा, सुरेंद्र राजपूत ऑफ द कांग्रेस सेइंग ये एक करारा तमाचा है बीजेपी के लिए. क्या जवाब देंगे उनका? केसी शर्मा, हाउ आर यू व्यूइंग दिस सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर टुडे?
And I don't want to comment on Supreme Court. Supreme will examine and then government will take a further action.
Congress is saying this is a big setback for the UP government. This is a slap in their face.
It is fine. We respect the court, but we'll evaluate the decision and then accordingly government will move. The decision is being taken in keeping the good intention in the mind. The good intention was nobody should be cheated, and we all know that thousands of people were getting misled by the name and identity, and they were getting cheated.
Okay, but KC Sharma, do you believe now that as you're saying, you will evaluate this order and then take steps accordingly? But do you believe that this is something that perhaps shouldn't have happened in the first place? The order could have been better worded. If you have a point to convey, it could have been better done rather than attempting to be discriminatory on the basis of religion.
It is not discrimination on the basis of religion. I don't know why the Supreme Court has given the decision. So we'll examine and we'll reapproach. It is for all, not for particular religion. And if you see, it is also if we do not implement, and this is against the Hindus because they are getting cheated, and they believe like it is Hanuman Dhaba, Ram Dhaba, Siddh Dhaba, but the dhaba belongs to somebody else.
Okay, Surinder Rajput, respond to that. Hindus were getting cheated. Their objective was noble, says KC Sharma, and they will evaluate now the Supreme Court's order.
ये फिजूल की बातें जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग करते हैं, ये समाज में एक जहरीला संदेश देते हैं। कहाँ तो इन्हें मानवता की बात करनी चाहिए थी और कहाँ पर ये अभी भी जहर की बात बोल रहे हैं। इतनी नेगेटिविटी भारतीय जनता पार्टी में सिर्फ एक चुनाव उत्तर प्रदेश में हारने में आ गई। ये हिंदू हिंदू करते हुए हिंदुओं के ठेकेदार हैं क्या? कौन है ये लोग? कैसे ये क्या हिंदू धर्म के आदि जो जगत गुरु शंकराचार्य हैं वो इस फैसले के विरोध में हैं? सारे धर्माचार्य इस फैसले के विरोध में हैं। क्या सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी हिंदू धर्म की ठेकेदार हो गई? ये हिंदू धर्म के और देश के दोनों के दुश्मन के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये देश का सांप्रदायिक सौहार्द बिगाड़ना चाहते हैं। हिंदू जनमानस कभी भी इस तरीके के विभाजनकारी फैसले के साथ नहीं है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.